Welcome back, guys. This is Mr. E Forex, and today I'm going to show you the best and the smartest way to make money off the forex market, especially if you are a beginner, right? So guys, what you are seeing here is a playout of my volatility 10 index setup that I posted in the WhatsApp channel. As you can see, this is the before. This was before the market had done it move. So this is my analysis on V10, and as you can see on the after, it reacted perfectly and immediately on my order block, and it is still going up, right? So basically this is the channel that we post updates, that we post content of great relevance to the forex market. As you can see, this is another setup from a very good admin, right? So basically, if you are a beginner, right, we all know that you are still lacking in knowledge, you are still lacking in experience, right? So basically, the good thing about this channel is you can trade risk free and with a good win rate of at least about 7 winning trades to 3 losing trades, right? This is because what you'll be doing, you'll be just waiting for the admins that have been in the game for too long, that have been in the game for quite some time, and well experienced, right? So basically, what you just need to do is just wait for the admins to post either a setup or a signal, and then you can profit off of that signal for free, guys. The entry to the channel is it's completely free and is available for everyone, from every country, right? As you can see, we also give updates on what is trending. So basically, as you can see here, this is a setup of gold in the Find the Next challenge. As you can see, the time frame was 30 minutes, and this setup was a winning setup. As you can see, it cashed about 9,666. I also have a video trading live on this on my YouTube channel, right? So basically, we send everything that is trending in forex, including trading memes, trading news, and apps that are and applications that are trending in the market, right? So basically, guys, this is the WhatsApp channel, and it is a very lucrative offer for every beginner out there. So just make sure that you check it out. The link is in the description there. I'm sure you will benefit a lot from this channel. So just hurry up and enter the channel. This is the very smartest way in smart money to make money off the forex market while you pursue your learnings, right? So guys, the channel is for free, the entry is for free, so just make sure that you check it out. Just enter and wait for the admins setups or signal, guys. So that is it for this video, guys. Like, share and subscribe.